Hello Sudoku friends, welcome. We have several puzzles in additional paper of Wednesday 18 March 2020. Sudoku with 1 star. I will start with this Sudoku first. Then later on I have also a Sudoku with 2 stars and 4 stars. But we will start with this one. So let's get started. Alright. I see a 4 in this row. A 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for a 4 is here and there. I see here a 4, so no 4 there. Only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for a 4 is here and there, but I see here also a 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then the 3, yes, 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for a 3 is here and there, but I see here already a 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this last row, 3 in the row above, so in this row, the only place for a 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for a 3 is here and there, but I see here already a 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for a 3 is here and there, but I see here already a 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for a 3 is here and there, but I see here already a 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then, let me see. The 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so on the row above, the only place for an 8 should be there. Then a 2 in the third column, a 2 in the second column, so in the first column, the only place for a 2 should be here. Then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I see here a 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. 1 box remains for the 1, should be here. Then in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. 2 boxes left in this column for the 9. The 9 could be here or could be there, but I see here already a 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for 9 is here and there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for 9 is here and there. But I see in the first column, the 9 should be in this big square. One of these 3 missing numbers should be a 9. So in this column, we have a 9 in one of those 3 boxes. So the 9 cannot be in this box. So 1 box remains for the 9 should be here. Then yes, in this second column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box remains for the 6 should be this one. Then 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for 9 should be there. 2 boxes left for this big square. For the numbers 1 and 6, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then yes, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2. So no 2 in these 3 boxes. I see there 2. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 2. Should be this one. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are 1, 4, and 8. I see here 1 and 4. So 1 digit left for the 8. Here we have 1, 4, 1, 4. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Then yes, in this column we have 3 missing numbers. The numbers are 7, 8, and 4. 7, 8, and 4. I see here 7 and 8. So no 7 and 8 in this box. 1 digit left, the 4. Here we have 7 and 8, 7 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. I can remember here 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 1. Now we have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for 1 should be here. Then yes, 3 numbers missing in this column. The numbers are 2, 7, 2, 7, and 9. 2, 7, and 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. I see here 9, so no 9 there. Only place for 9 should be here. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. Then yes, we have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for 2 is here and there. But we have a 2 there, so no 2 there, so 2 should be here. Two missing numbers in the last row for the number 6 and 5. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for 5 is here and there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Two missing numbers in the last column for the numbers 1 and 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be there, and the 1 goes here. Two missing numbers here in this row for the number 7 and 8. 7 and 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One missing number in this column for the number 7. One missing number in this column for the number 1. One missing number in this big square for the number 8. One missing number in this column for the number 7. And then 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be there. The 5 goes here. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 7 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 missing number in the first row for the number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 7. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number 7 and 6. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 8 goes, the 6 goes there. Almost make a mistake. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So finish this in 14 minutes. Alright, if you like this, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Subscribe if you like or if you want. Download the PDF file so you can make or solve it by yourself. See you later with the Sudoku with 2 stars. Thank you again, and bye-bye.